How to heal your gut naturally. Did you know that the health of your digestive system is crucial to your overall health and well-being? One reason for this is that around 80% of your immune system is located in your gut. If digestive disorders are left unaddressed, they can manifest into chronic health conditions. In our modern-day world, almost everyone suffers from compromised gut flora. When your digestive system is off, you might suffer from some type of digestive disorder such as irritable bowel syndrome, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, heartburn, reflux or gas. Here are 7 healing tips to help you bring yourself back to balance naturally. 1. Reset with a detox. Doing a detox is a great way to reset your entire digestive system. When you detox, you eat lightly and let your body focus on healing you from within. Include aloe vera juice in your detox as it has amazing detoxifying properties. When taken internally, it can powerfully help to detoxify the body and soothe internal inflammation of the digestive lining. 2. Focus on eating real foods. Eat a diet focused on real, whole foods. Aim for 80% real foods. Real foods are foods that are recognized by your body and can be broken down easily and naturally. These foods come from nature and are made by nature. At the same time, avoid fake foods. This includes branded, processed and fast foods, as these kinds of foods are made in a laboratory and sold with huge marketing budgets. 3. Reduce chronic stress. Chronic stress has the ability to interfere with your digestive system and your digestive process. Consider taking a supplement of therapeutic strength magnesium, vitamin B and zinc. To reduce stress, know that your body likes regular, predictable patterns during your day. Aim to be in bed by 10 p.m. or earlier each night, and eat at regular times. If this feels overwhelming from where you are today, take baby steps towards your goal each week. 4. Eat fermented foods. Eating fermented foods is one of nature's great healing secrets. The greater the variety of fermented and cultured foods you can include in your diet, the better. Each type of fermented foods have the power to inoculate your gut with a variety of different healthy microorganisms. Eating fermented foods will start to regenerate your gut flora naturally. Fermented foods are high in "good bacteria." You only need to eat a small amount of fermented vegetables or cultured foods per day. Try eating sauerkraut, kefir yogurt, fermented vegetables, kimchi, kefir coconut drink or kombucha, a fizzy drink. 5. Reduce intestinal inflammation. When you are having digestive disorders, you need to reduce inflammation. The amino acid, L-glutamine, can help your digestive system to heal. Glutamine is one of the most important nutrients that you can give to your body, as it supports the repair and regeneration of the intestinal lining in your body. Dietary sources of L-glutamine include beef, chicken, fish, eggs, milk, dairy products, cabbage, beets, beans, spinach, and parsley. Small amounts of L-glutamine are also found in vegetable juices. 6. Listen to your body. Learn how to listen to your body so that you can interpret the language it speaks and give it what it needs so that you can create vibrant health. Let go of dieting dogma and popular food trends. Instead, learn how to love and befriend your own body so that you understand the language your body speaks and can know what it wants as well as what isn't. 7. Work with a healing guide. Working with someone who has achieved the results you want to achieve can help you navigate the confusing amount of information that is available on health, mitigating procrastination and overwhelm. A healer or other health professional will be able to help you shortcut the process of healing so that you can gain optimum results quickly and effectively. You can heal yourself from within. Take the time to listen to your body and use these 7 healing tips to naturally rebalance your body and heal your digestive system.